Leso sikhathi seminyaka mbukeli lapho khona sonke sikhuthata ukuthi eMaswati akadilive lawo kabandi sikhuthata phela ukuthi vakashela indzawo letahlukahlukene lapha eVeni laKangwane ubone lokuhle lokwendekako indzawo ke yakaManzini nemakethe lenkulukati le incumbi yabantu baye bade khona nabafuna tintfo letitsite kanti ke lapha ngakwadi ukuthi imakethe yakaManzini ngilenye indzawo lapha eVeni laKangwane leliyayikhanga tona tivakashi kakhulukati ngoba bathengisa tintfo letentiwe ngetandla kanti ke naletinye letihambisana nabo buhle beMaswati lokufaka ekhathi imvunulo namhla ke mbukeli ehlelweni lelithi buhle bethu sikhethe ukuthi sivakashele lapha endzaweni yakaManzini sivakashele yona imakethe sitobona lokunye lokwendikako linyenti ke lebantu latiko ukuthi incumbi yabantu abavame kutawudlala emakethe yakaManzini bantu kumbe labede imali kanzi cha hayi liyashaywa libhodelana kulena ndzawo asesiboneke mbukeli ukuthi namhla ehlelweni lakho lelithi buhle bethu sasihambisana netindvuna tembuso letitawubona bona buhle bawe eMaswati kakhulukati kukhuthata bona bomake bakuleli labathi ndlondlobalisa wona umnotho welive ngato phela tekuthengisa ikakhulu tindvo letikhangisa ngaso siswati sethu ehlelweni lakho mbukeli nanamuhla naye nompumelelo kaDlamini Sibongo angisathele lifuba mbukeli ukubingelela ngiphinze ngomukele ke ehlelweni lakho lelithi buhle bethu angihambi ngedwa mbukeli njengenhlala yenda ngihambisana naye eSwatini Tourism Authority sithi Hlomangwane vuka uvakashe asesivakashe na indvuna imbuso sibone ukuthi yona itawuhamba iphelele kuphi la emarket.
The Manzini market on the 27th of November was visited by Minister of Finance Honorable Nick Reichenberg, accompanied by Eswatini Tourism Authority, Manzini Municipality and Business Eswatini with a mission to promote domestic tourism and local business.
Tourism is a critical aspect of our economy. It's one of the 5 pillars, as you might know, in our strategic plan. It's an amazing way to bring in FDI, to bring in foreign currency into the country. A market like this is not only just good products that are being sold here, but it's also an experience to feel what it feels like in a market in Africa for foreign tourists to come in and actually experience that. So we're really going to try and push that and to try and have the market become more of an experience as well as a product sales site. Oh, when it comes to women working here, I see fantastic gender equality around the table when I was hosted, and it's wonderful to see, and we support it very much as you might know as government. But no, the objective of them inviting me was really to expose me and explain and show me what's going on. And it has been a huge eye-opener. It's been fantastic to see the quality of products, the vibrancy of the marketplace, the quality of food. It was a fantastic experience, and one definitely has learnt and grown through the visit. Obviously, all the markets and all the municipalities have their own strategic plans. As government, with the limited resources that we have, we definitely
This idea came about as part of Business Eswatini trying to ensure that small businesses within the country are positioned to be able to be successful. So as Manzini, our main anchor with regards to SMEs is the Manzini market, because we realize that it's indigenous Swazis trying to put together businesses for them to be able to fend their families and fend for the economy. So we've been trying to position the market for quite a while, but we really realized that we can only do that with partnering with Eswatini and partnering with tourism authority by making the market the tourist destination for the city and for the country. So this is a beginning of a journey, because we want people to realize that it is an option for lunch, it is an option for shopping, and it is an option for any creativity that you'd want to have with the Eswatini value and traditional ethnic stuff. That's what you get here. So this is a marketing strategy for our market, our people, so that they grow.
The Manzini market is largely divided into 4 sections: the fruit and veg market that is well stocked with fresh produce, and the souvenir market is the best market and much more appealing with handcraft, and the third is the brick and brack market, and the fourth the herbalist market.
Mine Elias Zwane. Siyajabula wena minister lofikile la. Utasibona la sisebenzela khona. Sine bodokotela bemtsabo bema-herbs nemakhambi. Sijabula kakhulu kuba nani kwangathi uNkulunkulu angaba nani. Siyabonga.
Namhla ke ngitekta supporta ke ibhizinisi le yakhe ema-sandals, kodwa nje lokwami namhla ukuthi bato betekta accessorizela timpahla ngenxa ukuthi bama-artisans lasecopheni lesetulu lekuhlobisa tintfo.
Ngijoli Silono yami. Sibonga inhlanhla lenkulu kakhulu nje semchaze ukuthi siyakhanjwa tethe inhlanhla kuphela. Elakho nje kuphela inhlanhla kuphela. Kude lokubulesi kwendawo. Sisigeze abantu bakwazi ukuthi bathole imisebenzi, bakwazi ukuthi baphume entweni labatenda kude lokho sikusebenza lokho.
The Manzini market definitely serves both the locals as well as tourists. The tour was simply adorable. Honorable Reichenberg was walking around and chatting with sellers who were very friendly and aimed to please. The minister and his delegates bought a lot of gifts and souvenirs galore and really supported local people.
Morning. How are you?
Afternoon, I'm fine. I'm Maggie Kiskamabri. I used to go to
Taiwan.
trade fairs.
I see.
So I just first go to the trade fair 2009 and I take all the international awards. So I come with the 25,000 with the big song. And then 2012 I joined as an entrepreneur of the year. and then I take on as a city affiliate of
Fantastic. Congratulations.
for the Manzini market, and then 2014 I also joined for the Intervilla again, and I take it on again.
Really?
And then I go 2015 with the disabled for Expo, and then I take all I take the best country award, and then 2016 again I go to these disabled people. I also take also the big trophy for the best country award, and then 2019 this year. I just go with Wasipa, my business, and I go to the Taiwan, to the teacher, for the trade fair. So also I stand for the
lana sizamanzini emakethe sithe na uqala I think ngaNovember nangesikhathi kune World Tourism Month saba nebudlelwane lesibakhako nebakamanzini City Council kwekuthi sisekele amabhizinisi la khulumisa itourism edolobheni lakaManzini. Sijabula kakhulu ke namuhla ukuthi lobo budlelwane lobo bese sebuyakhula buphindze futhi bufaka ekhathi business eSwatini. Business eSwatini namuhla ude kutosekela bosomabhizinisi labancane labala emakethe labathengisa kudla ke kuyingcenye lemcoka yetindzaba tourism. Umuntu makavakasha uvakashela kuva ukuthi eve lokudla kwalelo live, and nawubuka tinombolo ngetindzaba tekudla 25% wemali yemuntu makavakasha isuke iconze nje ngamashi ekudleni. So siyajabula kakhulu ukuthi namhla silana sibambisene kakhulu kade nabo laba tihlobo tethu njengoba sisho.
One of the reasons Manzini Municipality invited the Minister of Finance and Business Eswatini was to showcase the delicacies prepared by the women at the Manzini market to sensitize locals to visit Manzini market to experience the freshly cooked Eswatini local dishes. Local food can be better for your health for a number of reasons. To begin with, the local foods often retain more nutrients. Local produce ripens naturally, and food picked fresh in season doesn't have far to travel and before being sold or cooked.
Oh, ngiyabonga kakhulu baba Dlamini. Nalomkhulumo wakho. Ngitobeka indaba tami nesingisi namuhla kodwa hawu ngitophicanisa nje lapha nalapha. I'd really like to thank everyone here today. It's really to make it a memorable event. It has really been an amazing eye-opener. I was so impressed with the quality of the goods here in Manzini Market, the quality of the product, the quality of the service. It has been very impressive, and I congratulate everyone in the market today on the amazing place and the vibe that this market has got. It's really something very special, and we hope that it continues to grow from strength to strength. We thank Business Eswatini. We thank Business Eswatini for inviting us here today. Thank you so much. We really also appreciate the municipality for also joining us here today and doing the rounds, introducing us to everything going on here. The other business, part of Business Eswatini and some members that have been coming through. Thank you so much. Our economy as Eswatini is really a combination of different factors. Our economy isn't like other economies based on certain, let's say, oil or based on diamonds or based on certain products. Our economy is diverse. It ranges from agriculture to textiles to a bit of mining. It's quite a broad economy. In an economy like ours, the vibrancy of an economy it's critical that we really get the balance right between very small enterprises, medium-sized enterprises, and large enterprises. So as we are here today, just really experiencing SMEs in the true form of what it is extremely exciting, because it really is, when you have trouble in medium and large size, it is the SMEs that really is the base of an economy. It supports the economy from a base that doesn't move. Because you find that sometimes big companies can come and go, big companies can get into trouble. When it does, obviously it causes economic stress. But you find that the base that remains is always the SMEs. And so, which is why today to come here just to express value in the SMEs and express our appreciation for that, and to try and grow that. I really believe in Eswatini, our SME base needs to continue to grow. We need to continue to attract large industry if we can, but large industry, you find that the SME base that grows around it is actually more of an economic driver than that main industry. The main industry itself, that actually creates a certain cash flow, sometimes creates a pipe for cash to come into the country, but it's where the economy really benefits is when the money circulates in the SME space, because money actually circulates more times. You find when money lands up in the hands of affluent, you find the money goes out of the country quite quickly. For us as a country, where we make our money from is when it circulates, and this is where the money circulates in a market like this and SME space. So as a ministry and as a government, we appreciate it. We value this. I know we don't say it enough and we don't do this enough like we're doing today, but we do want to express that we value the SMEs, we value the markets, we value the small businesses, we value sometimes the toughness of starting a small business and growing it, and we just want to express appreciation today for all of that. Thank you very much.
Tourism in Manzini is thriving. There's quite a number of historical monuments that have been declared already. Parliament has already enacted, they've made the proclamations for those monuments to be declared as historical monuments and historical sites. One of them is the recently opened museum at the Nazarene Church, which really is a museum that talks about the evolution of the Nazarene Christians that came through to Eswatini, also with the medical history as well that goes with that. So that's quite a big asset when you look at it from a tourism point of view. We also have the King Somhlolo Park, and there's quite a number of tours that have been already packaged within the city of Manzini. So Manzini as a tourism destination is very much alive to tourism issues, and we have partnered with them, and we are looking forward to greater and better business with them.
So next time you're in Manzini, do take a short left to Manzini Market for a local shopping spree and have a sit down at the Market's restaurant, where you can choose from the feast of local cooked meals.
Now it's been a wonderful day, it's been a wonderful experience kokuthi kuphume tindlu natembuso nato titawuhlanganyela nilundu lapha endzaweni yakaManzini emakethe. Sithola nelithuba lokuthi sive kudla lokuphekwa bomakeba kulenzawo namambala ambukele hayi bayashaya libhodo. Umenywa ngimi ke nyalo wota nawo tothola lithuba lokuthi udle kudla kwasemakethe yakaManzini kanye nemakethe yaseMbabane. Hayi mbukeli akusiko nje kudla lokudliwa ngoba naku usuke ude imali. Kudla mbukeli impela nawe lokuta kwesuthisa kukujabulisa njengoba ekakhulukati kukudla lokunemsoco. Hayi ke mbukeli sesifika khona emaphethelweni ehlelo lakho lelithi buhle bethu naselangeni namuhla. Angikuthembiseke mbukeli ukuthi nasevikini lelitako ngesikhathi esifana kosilabe sinawe khona la ehlelo lakho lelithi buhle bethu namanje ngihambisana naye Eswatini Tourism Authority ngithi Hlomangwane vuka uvakashe mbukeli yathi live lakho kabandini buhle balo live la kaNgwane. Hayi ke msaleni kahle.